Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another tutorial video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your photo background in just one click. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest update. If you subscribe it already, thank you so much. So let's begin the video. So guys, first of all open your browser, then type in URL, just type remove.bg, then enter. As you can see, website open, and it is pretty simple. You don't need to use Photoshop or other photo editor. Just click the upload image and select your photo. This shows all of your photo, so I'm selecting these my photos. As you can see, it's uploading, depend on your internet speed, so it working. So as you can see, it is remove background precisely. So you can download from here by 433 into 577 resolutions. But if you need more resolutions, you need to open account. So you need to buy point for downloading high resolution photo. But I don't need to download high resolutions. It's okay. You can edit more. You can add your background on your photos, and you can adjust blur effect. Like I'm select one, this background, and little blur and more. So lighter one is better, I think. And you can change also background. Here is more. So as you can see, I think this one is good. And you can add only one color, lots of color sheet here. Then after finishing edit, just press in the download icons and you can share from here, just or download image. I'm clicking on download and my photo downloaded, as you can see. So it is very simple way to remove photo background. I hope it helps you, and I put link on my descriptions. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.